You are listening to socialtv.co.za with myself, Nokuthula. In our top stories, Discovery Foundation awards 16 million rands to public sector doctors in 2021 and apply for 2023 Shoprite bursary program. Beginning with our top story, the Discovery Foundation has awarded over 16 million rands in research and training grants to some of South Africa's top doctors, researchers and future healthcare leaders in 2021. Addressing the critical shortage of medical graduates and specialist skills, the Discovery Foundation is an independent trust that aims to address the shortages and quality of healthcare in rural and underserved areas in South Africa. Research by the Discovery Foundation in 2019 told Discovery that in South Africa, there are 7 specialists per 100,000 population in the public sector and 69 per 100,000 population in the private sector, with an average national level of 16.5 per 100,000, explains Dr. Vincent Mapai, chairperson of the Discovery Foundation. The grants include scholarships, bursaries, research fellowships and support for teaching and research institutions to strengthen the country's healthcare workforce, particularly in rural areas that have a critical need of medical specialists. Moving on to our next story, the Shoprite Group is calling for high-performing students enrolled for degrees in accounting, IT, food science and more to apply for all-inclusive bursary program for the 2023 academic program. Bursary holders also have access to Shoprite's Employee Wellness Program, which includes access to medical advice, counseling services, financial coaching, legal advice, and more. With a work-back agreement upon graduation, bursary holders are guaranteed employment and will benefit from invaluable practical experience and strong career growth prospects at the group. Registered students, university students with a 65% aggregate or higher, are encouraged to apply for the group's bursary program. Early childhood development (ECD) is critical in determining the success of a child's academic foundations. With this in mind, Waterloo Solar introduced a new program to upskill community ECD principals and their practitioners in order to provide quality education in a safe and conducive environment. This initiative, which kicked off during May 2022, supports 13 ECD centers in the Naledi community and benefits close to 300 young children. This includes providing emergent practitioners with a good grounding in the understanding of ECD and is already yielding positive results. Based on the ECD mapping conducted by Early Care Foundation, the program implementing partners, nutritional support and training was seen as the most pressing needs, thus the need for this support. In this program, the focus will be on creating and maintaining an environment where the needs of children can be catered to. This includes basic hygiene, childcare, nutrition, stimulation, and learning. In our final story, community development organization Riza Babuyile RB this week opened its first brick and mortar clinic. The Riza Babuyile Clinic Deep Sloot, after over a decade of serving communities with mobile clinics, the non-profit organization is working to ease the public health burden by offering an accessible, affordable alternative. Prior to the establishment of the new clinic, there were only 2 public healthcare clinic facilities, catering for a growing community of 300,000 people in Deep Sloot. The 5 million rands clinic is equipped with advanced technology of prenatal care, GP consultations through telemedicine, video call consultations, and a fully stocked dispensary service. The clinic also has completed the construction of an emergency room, which it plans to have operational by next year. To recap our top stories, Discovery Foundation awards 16 million rands to public sector doctors in 2021. For more CSI news, you can visit our website at www.socialtv.co.za.